Hi everyone, it's James here from Production Expert. We are back at the Puzzle Factory Studios in North London. We've done tutorials on the site about my take on recording drums, so I thought it'd be very interesting to go and do a tutorial on someone else's take on recording drums, certainly from the point of view of someone what plays them. So tell us a little bit about your approach, what we're going to see, what we're going to do, and stuff.
The way I approach recording anything is to capture it as purely as possible, basically. So the idea is that I want to capture the sound of the instrument. I want to capture the sound of you as a performer. It's not simply just, oh, well, throw a bunch of mics on and let's see what happens. It's about capturing what's going to work on the song and a bit of your personality. That's what this is. That's what music is all about. We'll get the kit tuned and get it sounding really great in the room. We're going to select some microphones. Once that's been done, we'll select our preamps and then we'll record some drums.